Okay, so on this one, again, beginning with the end in mind, I want my x's collected up front, then my y's. Don't forget that there's a plus sign between those. And then numbers on the right. And I'm going to leave spaces over here to complete the square and over here to keep things balanced. So x is first, x squared minus, woo, that's it. Oh, wait, we got to bring this over. What kind of 10 is that going to be? Negative 10. And now y's, and we're doing it, notice we're doing it in the same order as like a quadratic. We want the squared part first and then the not so squared part. So y squared minus 28y plus blank. What number am I bringing over?
212.
Right, so what's it going to be over here? Negative 212. Plus blank plus blank. So these blanks are to keep things balanced. Whatever goes in here is going to go in there. Whatever goes in here is going to go in there. All right, so half of negative 10 is negative 5. That squared is 25, and then I add it to the other side. Half of negative 14, sorry, half of negative 28 is negative 14. And then that squared is, I think, 196. Okay. And then really what you're doing in this next step is you're factoring this. This factors as x minus 5. But when I wrote it down there, I went ahead and wrote that like that because it's always going to be whatever you took. When you took half of this, whatever you get for that, before you squared is always going to be what's in the parentheses there for factored form. So now we just write like that for factored form. And on the right-hand side, we've got negative 212 plus 25 plus 196. I think it's going to be 9. Is that right? So now it's in standard form for a circle. So now I can look at that and tell that the center is what? Okay, it's going to be positive 5, right? Positive 5, positive 14. You always take the opposite of what you see. And the radius is 3. Questions on that one?